the Royal Academy launching NTA UGC NET exam December 2022, short and speed course on 11/11/2022. Hurry up, book your slot. See, this is Unit 1, Teaching Aptitude. These are the subtopics in this unit, and in this class we are going to see teaching aptitude. The first point, teaching. Under this, the subtopics are concept, objectives, level of teaching. Under that, memory, understanding and reflective, and characteristics and basic requirements we are going to see today. Teaching. Teaching concept. In this, there are two concepts. One is traditional concept, another one is modern concept. Now let us see what is traditional concept. Teaching is the act of imparting instruction to the learners in the classroom situation. While imparting knowledge, teachers should keep in mind the child as well as the orderly presentation of subject matter. And what is modern concept? Modern concept is teaching is to cause the people to learn and acquire the desired knowledge, skills, and also desirable ways of living in the society. It's a process in which learner, teacher, curriculum, and other variables are organized in a systematic and psychological way to attain some predetermined goals. Now, some expert views about concept of teaching. First one is Ryburn's view. Teaching is a relationship which keeps the child to develop all his powers. Next one, Burton's view. Teaching is the stimulation, guidance, direction, and encouragement of learning. Smith's view. In words of Beaver Smith, teaching is a system of actions intended to produce learning. Now, what is education? In literary sense, education was its origin of two Latin words. What are those two Latin words? Educare and educere. Educare and educere. What do you mean by educare? The word educare means to nourish, to bring up, to raise. That is, the teacher have to raise, nourish, and bring up the child. Educere. What do you mean by educere? Means to bring forth, to lead out, to draw out. Accordingly, education implies drawing out or leading out what is there inside the child. So, the rest of the class you can see in the course, that is the Royal Academy. Phone number is here. So, utilize this and get through UGC NET.